the beginning of the video there, we thought we had the microphone on and we didn't, but you can see that it was broken at the beginning of the video. If you didn't notice it, you can rewind it and start over. It's cracked, needs repair. We got two guys on the roof here. We had to do the inspection of the roof because we can't find the access in the basement. There's lots of roots in it. You're looking at this 6-inch clay tile here. Footage is going to be a little wonky because we're up on the roof, but lots of roots, needs to be cleaned. That last part needs to be repaired. Without a doubt, it's cracked, so. Huh? Alright, coming back again here now.
Push play.
Got it. Oh, go back forward just a little bit, Al. Clean these roots again. Okay, keep going. A lot of root buildup. So you can't really see anything behind any of that with what's going on with the pipe. There's the biggest root right there. It's almost 80% blocking the line. Now we're coming back in some 4-inch cast iron pipe. Looks like we even got roots in that, which usually indicates a crack. Hold on, go back forward for a second now. Okay, keep going. Keep going. I'm trying to find the clean out. Right now we're not seeing it, but the pipe's pretty dirty, so might just have to find the stack. Alright, we're coming up the stack now. That's your stack clean out, or the stack access. Okay, you're good.